Banana bread is one type of snacks I make at home that everybody always loves it. And one thing I love about it is the fact that the recipe is not complicated. It is very straightforward. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Peace, and on this video I'll be sharing with you how I make the simplest and the yummiest banana bread. For this recipe you'll be needing your flour, some banana, egg, baking powder, sugar, milk. The milk can be either powdered milk or liquid milk, and also vanilla flavor, which is very optional. Video is very self-explanatory. I don't need to say too much. The secret I'll tell you to getting a yummiest banana bread is just mix everything together. That's it. Mix everything together and put in a pan and bake. If you know the right ingredients to use, you're going to get the right banana bread. That is, the outcome is going to be perfect. Just know the right measurement and the right ingredients to use and you are good to go. For this recipe I use 3 cups of flour, 2 eggs. The banana I don't count it. You can use as much as you want. I also used 1 cup of milk, half cup of sugar, 1 cup of vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. I dissolve the milk with warm water. I just like it like that. You can add your own in powdered form if you wish. And you also know that banana has a sweet taste, so instead of adding too much sugar, reduce the sugar quantity. That is, if you don't like sugar. So it's better you reduce the sugar, because the sweetness of the banana will still come out. But if you are somebody that loves sugar a whole lot, you can add maybe 1 cup of sugar. Me, I use half cup of sugar. You can use 1 cup. It came out so good. You can even see it from the video now. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share this video for more simple recipes, motherhood vlogs and self-care videos. Thanks for watching and see you in my next one. Bye.